everyone, welcome to Shradha's FabLab. In this video, I will show you how to make a mini planetarium in your house. For that, we need aluminium, foil, and a phone torch, and a box, and one side open, and a toothpick. See? And a toothpick. Now place the aluminium foil like this, so you close the open part. Now put some holes like this. See, I have put holes. Now open up the foil and put the phone torch inside. Switch off the lights. Now the box will look like this, and look at the roof. You can see the stars like this on your roof. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like the diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.